Civics Lesson 6 Understanding Media. Media includes newspapers, internet, television, radio, and magazines. What is media? Media, singular form of media, is considered as an agency or means of doing something. The term media, plural form of medium, can be described as the main means of mass communication regarded collectively, especially radio, television, newspaper. Media can therefore be looked at as the major devices and or resulting material used to communicate information. Do you know? First dated printed book known as Diamond Sutra was printed in China in 868 AD. What's mass media? Mass media is communication, whether written, broadcast, or spoken, that reaches a large audience. This includes television, radio, advertising, movies, the internet, newspapers, and magazines. Mass media is a significant force in modern culture. Print media is one of the oldest and basic forms of mass communication. It includes newspapers, weeklies, magazines, monthlies, and other form of printed journals. Electronic media uses electronics or electromechanical energy for the audience to access any equipment used in the electronic communication process. TV, radio, desktop, and gaming console. Media and technology. It would probably be difficult for you to imagine your life without the media, but cable television and the widespread use of the internet is a recent phenomenon. These have been around for less than 20 years. The technology that mass media uses keeps changing. Newspapers, television, and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. We also tend to discuss newspapers and magazines as the print media and TV and radio as the electronic media. Why do you think newspapers are called print media? As you read further, you will find that this naming is related to the different technologies that these media use. The following photographs will give you a sense of the ways in which technology that mass media uses has changed over the years and continues to change. Changing technology or machines and making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and the images that you see. But technology does more than this. It also changes the ways in which we think about our lives. For example, today it is quite difficult for us to think our lives without television. Television has enabled us to think of ourselves as members of a larger global world. Television images travel huge distances through satellites and cables. This allows us to view news and entertainment channels from other parts of the world. Most of the cartoons that you see on television are mostly from Japan or the United States. We can now be sitting in Chennai or Jammu and can see images of a storm that has hit the coast of Florida in the United States. Television has brought the world closer to us. Next we'll study about media and money. The different technologies that mass media use are expensive. Just think about the TV studio in which the newsreader sits. It has lights, cameras, sound recorders, transmission satellites, etc., all of which cost a lot of money. In a news studio, it is not only the newsreader who needs to be paid, but also a number of other people who help put the broadcast together. This includes those who look after the cameras and lights. Also, as you read earlier, the technologies that mass media use keep changing, and so a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. Due to these costs, the mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels and newspapers are part of big business houses. Mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money. One way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones, etc. You must have noticed the number of advertisements that you have to see while watching your favorite television show. While watching a cricket match on TV, the same advertisements are shown repeatedly between each over. and so you are often watching the same image over and over again. As you will read in the following chapter, advertisements are repeated in the hope that you will go out and buy what is advertised. What are brands? In fact, advertisement is all about creating an image or a brand. A brand may be defined as a name, term, sign, symbol, or design, or a combination of these which differentiate the product of one company from that of its competitors or other identical products. Giving special names to a product by the company is termed as branding. All the companies would want their brand to sell more than the other brands. Therefore, the companies advertise their different media to highlight the uniqueness of their products. The consumer would get confused about which brand to buy because of the variety offered. Each brand adheres to a specific value that it is important for the consumer. This is known as brand value. Advertisement and social values. They often change our perception of how we see things and ourselves. Advertisement in this way act as a strong influence on our lives. Advertisements thus play an important role in guiding our choices. Not only do we select products based upon the advertisement, but our own lives are also affected by it. For example, sometimes when people associate themselves with a particular lifestyle shown in an advertisement, they try to imitate it in the real life as well. Information tool and forum for discussion. Newspapers and public affairs programs on radio and television inform, educate, and engage the public and prompt them to take action. Media as peace and consensus builder. At times, the media helps in peace-building efforts. The media is crucial for a democracy. Media and democracy. In a democracy, the media plays a very important role in providing news and discussing events taking place in the country and the world. It is on the basis of this information that citizens can, for example, learn how government works, and often, if they wish to, they can take action on the basis of these news stories. Some of the ways in which they can do this is by writing letters to the one concerned, organizing a public protest, starting a signature campaign, asking the government to rethink its program, etc. Given the role that the media plays in providing information, it is important that the information be balanced. It is very important to have independent media because media is known as the fourth pillar of democracy. Keeping this in mind, if media inclines towards a particular political party or favors the government, it will mislead the democracy and adulterated content would be created. Media somewhere act as a transparent object between the government and the citizen of the country. This would be compromised. What does TV do to us and what can we do with TV? In many of our homes, TV is on a lot of the time. In many ways, a lot of our impressions about the world around us are formed by what we see on TV. It is like a window on the world. How do you think it influences us? TV has different types of programs. Soap operas like Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, game shows like Kaun Banega Crorepati, reality TV shows like Bigg Boss, news, sports and cartoons. Before, in between and after each programs are advertisements. Since TV time costs so much money, only those programs that can attract the maximum number of viewers are shown. Can you think of what such programs might be? Think of what are the kinds of things that TV shows and what it does not. Does it show us more than the lives of the rich or the poor? We need to think about what TV does to us, how it shapes our views of the world, our beliefs, attitudes, and values. We need to realize that it gives us a partial view of the world. While we enjoy our favorite programs, we should always be aware of the large, exciting world beyond our TV screens. There is so much happening out there that TV ignores. A world beyond film stars, celebrities, and rich lifestyles. A world that all of us need to reach out to and respond to in various ways. We need to be active viewers who question whatever we see and hear, while we may enjoy it too. Now let us talk about the local media. Recognizing that the media will not be interested in covering small issues that involve ordinary people and their daily lives, several local groups have come forward to start their own media. Several people use community radio to tell farmers about the prices of different crops and advise them on the use of seeds and fertilizers. Others make documentary films with fairly cheap and easily available video cameras on real-life conditions faced by different poor communities, and at times have even given the poor these video cameras to make films on their own lives. Another example is a newspaper called Khabar Lahariya, which is a fortnightly that is run by 8 Dalit women in Chitrakoot district in Uttar Pradesh. Written in the local language Bundeli, this 8-page newspaper reports on Dalit issues and cases of violence against women and political corruption. The newspaper reaches farmers, shopkeepers, panchayat members, school teachers, and women who have recently learned to read and write. Conclusion: though advertising appeals to the personal emotions of the people and have a strong influence on our lifestyles as citizens of a democratic society, we must make independent choice. We must encourage advertisement with social message and discourage products that highlights the inequalities in society. Thank you.